Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a special day for the Supra. I'm excited. I've been waiting on these for a hot minute. I've never waited on anything this long, but it's the nature of pretty much everything right now. So, I mean, it is what it is, but we got some new wheels, boys. We got some new wheels and I'm excited. These are nice. These are really nice. And nope, I didn't go with TEs like every other Supra owner does. And I wasn't gonna do that, or I wasn't gonna spend 4K on what the hell those are called? BC racing wheels. Wasn't gonna do that either. No, I don't do that. Nah, I can spend my money elsewhere. But you can see them right there. Yeah, look at there. Look at there. These are some, I gotta remember, I think these are ESR CT5s, if I remember correctly. And here you go. It's got a fat lip. This is a 3-inch lip, gloss and satin. And as you can see, I really like them. I wrapped them in Nito. These are actually Nito NT05s, not the R's like I had in the Mustang. Decided to try these out. I didn't want to go full radio like I had in the Mustang. So I decided, let me try these out. Let me see how these work. So I went NT05, Nito NT05, and then Nito G2 555s, G2s for the front. 275, which is actually stock spec for this car. It's a 10.5 and a 9.5. So I decided, let me see this. I talked to one other guy who has these wheels, but he has them in silver, and he gave me all specs. So he ran a 275. I could probably squeeze it to. I'm sure I could go 285 next time, and I probably will. But needles run wide anyway, so it's like a tiny stretch. It's barely a stretch. So, and the G2s, those fit fine. The 265s on the 9.5 fit fine. So I think I'm really happy with those. So I'm ready to put them on. I've already started a little bit. I had to close the garage door because my neighbor's playing music, so I don't want to get demonetized. But I'm really excited. Damn. Oh, this is gonna look good, guys. It's gonna look good. So I'm actually also in the middle of oil change. I'm gonna give it my first oil change. So I'm doing it myself because I don't know if you guys know with this whole deal with this. So it is basically Toyota BMW. Yeah, I know. Is basically doing a recall, and they're messing with the ECU. I haven't gotten a recall. I haven't gotten anything in the mail. I haven't gotten anything called. Nobody's called me about it. And they're basically locking up ECUs. If you're not locked, they will lock you up. So I'm not doing that. So it's not this car will never ever go into Toyota unless I absolutely have to bring it in. I mean, you know, just something that has nothing to do with performance or anything like that, that I absolutely have to bring it in. And I will be on their ass if they touch my ECU. So other than that, I mean, that's crazy that they're doing that kind of stuff. So yeah, they're literally like in 2020s, they're bringing them in, and there's some kind of thing with the, basically they're saying the brake doesn't hold when you start the car, some bull crap like that. I don't know what it is. I don't care. I'm not doing it. This car's never done anything weird like that. So it's just crazy. So yeah, this car's never gonna go into Toyota unless like the ECU goes out or something like that. Something that I have to bring it in because, yeah, no. So it's just crazy how some of these car companies are going about things with these locked ECUs the last couple of years. I've never seen this before, so I guess it's just the nature of the way things are going. So if you got a tunable car, hold on to it, because you might not be able to get another one. Because they're really, I mean, they still, supposedly they broke the 21 Supras, but you gotta send it off. You gotta send off your ECU. You completely wipe your stock file, and then I think they send your ECU to Russia, and then it comes back, and it's just a whole shit show. I'm like, hell no, I wouldn't do that. So there it is, guys. Anyways, let's get to work, and we're gonna get these suckers on. Oh boy, they look good, and I'm gonna have some fun. So get ready, because this thing's gonna look good as hell. All right, guys. So I've done good. I've done real good. We're gonna wash it up right quick, but I'm happy with it. So clarification, these are ESR CS12 wheels, and the offsets are plus 22, plus 22, 19 by 9.5, and 19 by 10.5. So if anybody, I know some of these wheel companies don't like to give out specs, or some of these guys that put wheels on their cars don't like to give out their specs. I don't give a crap. So I'm happy, I'm excited, this thing looks good, and y'all need to check this out right now. Alright guys, so just tell me this thing did not turn out looking amazing. Amazing. I think these are some of my favorite wheels I've ever put on a car. This looks that good. I think this type of wheel, like a lip wheel, just looks good. Look at that. Look at that lip. It just, oh man, they are dirty. What the hell? Look at that. No, I drove it. This happens. I drive my cars. But damn it, guys. This thing turned out so nice. So damn nice. It looks good. I'm happy with it. I want to thank my boys, Auto Mafia Racing. Caleb over there hooked me up. He's the one that got me the wheels. I asked him, hey, could you get me these wheels? And he didn't hesitate. So yeah, I'll get them for you. And it took a little while, because everything's so slow these days. So I guess they had to make them, whatever. But yeah, this thing turned out so freaking nice. And Caleb gave me an awesome deal, and I mean, we just had to wait a little bit, but it is what it is right now. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Just from here, you just see that thick ass lip. But tell me what you guys think. And I know some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, the ESR, all they do is rep wheels. ESR isn't the same company it used to be maybe 5-10 years ago. I don't know how long they've been around, but ESR makes some nice stuff now. And they make 3-piece wheels, they make 2-piece wheels. So it's not like they're just making rep wheels. I think they still make rep wheels. I think that's how they started their business, but they're making a lot of really nice stuff now. And if people, I know people like to knock them, oh, all they do is just rep wheels. No, they do some nice stuff. So these are ESR CS12 wheels. So it's got 12 spokes. I know I said CS5s, but no, they're 12. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about the new wheels on the Supra. And we'll see y'all later. Take care of yourself. Bye.